In today's fast-paced world, finding a versatile, compact, and efficient kitchen appliance is like striking gold. This personal blender with two 20 ounces travel bottle and coffee spices jar is precisely that golden find. It's a powerful 500 watts single-serve blender that promises to revolutionize your daily beverage routine. This review will delve deep into its features, performance, and why it's a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen experience. What sets this personal blender apart from the rest? It's not just its sleek black design or compact size, but the multitude of functionalities it offers. From blending smoothies to grinding coffee beans, this blender does it all. Let's break down what makes this blender a standout choice for your kitchen. Don't be fooled by its small size. The 500 watts motor packs a punch, effortlessly handling everything from leafy greens to ice cubes. This power ensures that your smoothies are perfectly blended and your coffee beans are ground to the perfect consistency every time. The compact design also means it won't take up much space on your countertop, making it ideal for small kitchens or dorm rooms. The blender comes with two 20 ounces travel bottles and travel lids, designed to fit in your car cup holder. This feature is perfect for those who are always on the move. Simply blend your favorite beverage, attach the travel lid, and you're ready to go. Whether you're heading to work, the gym, or a weekend getaway, your healthy drink is just a blend away. One of the unique features of this blender is its coffee spices grinder jar. This addition makes it incredibly versatile. Not only can you make smoothies and shakes, but you can also grind fresh coffee beans or spices. This functionality adds significant value to the blender, making it a multi-purpose tool in your kitchen. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty of its performance. How does this blender handle different tasks? From blending to grinding, here's a detailed look at its capabilities. For smoothie lovers, this blender is a dream come true. Its 500 watts motor ensures that fruits, vegetables, and even ice are blended smoothly. The 6-leaf blade design maximizes blending efficiency, ensuring that there are no chunks left behind. Whether you're making a green smoothie for breakfast or a protein shake post-workout, the results are consistently smooth and delicious. The inclusion of a coffee spices grinder jar is a game changer. The specially designed blade makes quick work of grinding coffee beans, ensuring you have fresh, aromatic coffee every morning. It's also perfect for grinding spices, which can elevate your cooking to the next level. The ability to switch between blending and grinding makes this appliance incredibly versatile and valuable. Simplicity is key, and this blender nails it. The one-touch operation makes it easy for anyone to use. Just press and hold the button to start blending or grinding, and release it to stop. It's that simple. This intuitive design makes it perfect for busy individuals who need quick, hassle-free blending. Cleaning your blender has never been easier. The blender's detachable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Additionally, the non-BPA materials ensure that your drinks are safe and healthy. The compact size also means it's easy to store, either on your countertop or in a cabinet. Another notable aspect of this blender is the customer support and warranty. If you receive a defective item or are not satisfied with the product, the company promises to do its best to help you and provide a satisfactory solution. This commitment to customer satisfaction is a significant plus, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. When considering the cost of the personal blender with two 20 ounces travel bottle and coffee spices jar, it's clear that you're getting excellent value for your money. The combination of powerful performance, versatile functionality, and easy operation makes it a worthwhile investment. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or someone who loves fresh coffee and smoothies, this blender caters to all your needs. In conclusion, the personal blender with two 20 ounces travel bottle and coffee spices jar is a versatile, powerful, and convenient addition to any kitchen. Its compact design, coupled with a robust 500 watts motor, ensures that it handles everything from smoothies to coffee grinding with ease. The travel bottles add to its convenience, making it perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. The easy operation, combined with dishwasher-safe parts, ensures that it's not only easy to use, but also easy to maintain. The additional coffee spices grinder jar elevates its functionality, making it more than just a blender. It's a comprehensive kitchen tool that offers excellent value for money. If you're looking to simplify your kitchen tasks and enjoy healthy, delicious drinks and freshly ground coffee, this blender is the perfect choice. Don't miss out on this versatile and powerful appliance. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours today. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.